Make a great choice today with the 2020 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, fog lamps, FWD. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.